It is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is a That Nap Life video. I just wanted to quickly come on camera and just talk about my after workout routine. Most times when I work out, I incur a lot of sweat in my hair. So I just want to talk about it and the little simple thing that I do to hold me over until my actual wash day. So if you want to know, keep watching. NappyFu checking in. Lego. Coming at y'all looking busted and slimmer. No, joking. No, seriously though. I'm starting to see a little difference. Anyway, so this is what I usually look like when I'm back from the gym. I have a hat on and a shirt on and pants on that's been attacked by sweat. My sweat starts from the crown and it walks its way down to my big toe. Okay, that's how much my body sweats. There's no area that after I work out, I'll be drying. No area, none. When I go to work out right after work, of course I have some type of hair on. So I just throw a hat on top of that and I'll hit the gym. Now, if my wig is not bonded down, like I didn't use no got to be glue spray nor gel, then I will snatch the wig off and just put a hat on showing my cornrows. Something like this. Yep. Now, some things I want to quickly say is that I do not in no shape, form, or fashion recommend washing your hair every day because I feel like the less manipulation kinky hair goes through, the better. Granted, you have the sweat on your scalp, and it's probably adding into the buildup. So for me, I wash my hair weekly. So if I have any sweat build up on my hair, on my scalp, gonna take care of it within the next few days. Now, sometimes the sweat is a bit much, and I gotta do something about it, and this is what I do.
I like to mix up what we're gonna call the Witch Hazel Spritz, because it's actually just witch hazel and it's a spritz. So yes, witch hazel, y'all. Witch hazel is something that many of us might be sleeping on, but it makes a lot of difference. So my favorite brand is Thayer's. I always get the alcohol-free one. Witch hazel is an astringent. It is antibacterial. It's also very stimulating to your scalp, so it can help in getting that blood flowing. People say it can be pH balancing as well. I think it just depends on how you mix it. It's also a disinfectant, and for those who has itchy scalp, it is very scalp soothing. It can help with irritated scalp, irritated skin as well. So, witch hazel, y'all, and just to kind of combat the dryness that witch hazel can give you, you do want to add in some oils. My favorite is jojoba oil, glycerin, and peppermint. Okay, using these three oils combined with the witch hazel, I've been having much success with it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to mixing. It's pretty straightforward. Now, as far as measuring of this goes, you know I normally don't measure when I do all these DIYs, but for y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and break out that measuring cup. Now, what I have in here is about 1/4 of the toner. So let's go ahead and measure that out. I guess it's gonna be 1/4. And your girl is right. Oh, hey, got that eye. Now, as far as the oils go, literally, I'm just putting a couple of drops. It's not a major measuring of it. The jojoba oil I use more than the other ones, but for the most part, I'm just putting a few drops here and there. Each drop maybe is a teaspoon each, but as you can see, I barely measure. I just kind of eye it. I'm so sorry, y'all. But just do it until you feel like, okay, I think it's good. Once you spray it on your head, if it feels like it's too strong in some areas, then you know, okay, let me add some more oils and so on, okay? I will try to figure out the measurements and I'll put in the description box for y'all, okay? All right, now let's apply. When my hair is free and about, which most times it is when I use this mix, I just work it right into my hair. Now, if my hair was tacked down, I'll show you what I do a little bit later. Come on, Shay. Come on, 4C hair. All up on your screen. Anyway, so yeah, I put my hair in sections and I just work in sections. You know, our hair loves sections. We love that organization, okay? I pretty much focus it directly to the skin, which is the scalp, and I work that in. Just like I'll do on my wash day, I move my fingers in downward motions. I do the same thing. I work it downward. And then after I work it into the scalp to my satisfaction, I will follow up with some type of moisturizer, some type of cream. It doesn't always have to be the same one. As long as it's a moisturizer, I'll put it towards my hair. Not the scalp, but the hair strands. I hope y'all know what I mean by that. I think someone might ask, can you use ACV instead? Witch hazel and ACV are not in the same category. It's not, they can't compare those two. ACV doesn't necessarily lift, remove, or help if you have any buildup coming. In my opinion, and based on what I've read, ACV in reference to our scalp, not internally, but reference to our scalp, The most benefit of it is that it does help with the pH levels of your hair. It does help with the cuticles laying down and so on. Witch hazel is an antibacterial. It is an antiseptic. It is removing and preventing any fungus from trying to take place on your scalp. You don't want to overdo it because witch hazel can be drying. Hence the reason we added oils to it. So you don't want to use it straight like it is. Even if you use the alcohol-free version like I do, you still want to add in some type of oil. So keep in mind, this is not to replace your wash day. This is not for you to use and you'll say, I'll wait another week before I do a wash. This is for you to use when you've worked out quite a bit. You can smell your scalp, but it's not your wash day just yet. You want something that will hold you over. This little witch hazel spritz might be the answer. Think of it like a dry shampoo, your homemade dry shampoo. Although it's a liquid, but you get what I'm saying. Y'all, it feels so relaxing to massage at the top of my scalp. It just feels so relaxing, like more than the other areas. I know I said this already before, but like it just very relaxed. As you can see, I can't even help but close my eyes and enjoy the rub. Okay, let me stop. Sorry. So yeah, this is one of my favorite spritz to use on my hair after I've worked out. I think I've said it before. I don't do it every day, but I do it, I guess, average every other day because I work out every day except for Sunday on average, for the most part. If I happen to not work out during the week, then I'm going to work out on that Sunday, you know. Workout game is strong because I have a goal in mind. Oh, plus I just thoroughly enjoy working out. So I have to find ways to keep that scalp in good condition while I beast it. You feel me? I don't want my scalp to be beasted up. I just want my body to. Okay. So I hope this helped y'all. Now, this is when my hair, I like to use this most times when my hair is free. But when I do not have my hair free, what do I do? If I'm not rocking my hair out and about, I'm probably rocking a wig, in which case my hair is cornrowed underneath. If so, I still spritz it right onto my scalp and I work it in with my fingers. I work it as best as I can. Make sure I really focus around the circumference as well. If my scalp is even more exposed, like if it's in twists, like kinky twists or single braids, then I will take a cotton swab sometimes and use that to apply the spritz to my scalp. As long as it get on there, I'm good to go. Somebody might be thinking to themselves, witch hazel? Really, NappyFu? Witch hazel? Look, y'all, remember our scalp is skin. It's skin, y'all. Witch hazel can be used on skin. Before you use it, watch this video a couple more times, watch other videos, do your research, and try it at your own risk. But let me know what you think.
So that brings us to today's Nap Chat question. Okay, I want to know from you, Team Kinks, what's your tips before working out, after working out? What do you do? Let us know, Team Kinks, in the comment box below. And trust me, your answer will definitely help another kink out. Okay?
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that.
I will catch you on the next one. And remember, do you remember the time? Oh, I hope today's video makes sense, and I hope it definitely helped y'all out. And I hope even the more that I see you next Sunday. Until then, remember, to have healthy hair, you got to do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were